official International Magic Kitchen workshop took place as a part of Kulturfest. Special thanks to the organizers of Kulturfest, Stadt Heimatmuseum, for the invitation and support. The festival also included a Ukrainian children's choir, a wooden sculpture workshop, eco-bag painting with stencils, a candy bar for children and guests, as well as other organizations and creative initiatives that became part of this international cultural space. More than 30 children of different nationalities took part in the event. Together they played, met new friends, interacted and created their own desserts. The program consists of 3 blocks. The first block was focused on movement and play. Children moved, played team games, jumped, interacted with each other and became part of the festival atmosphere through body movement and active games. The second block was emotional and sensory. We explored emotion through associations, smells, and sensory games. Children learned to recognize their feelings and communicate through the universal language of emotions. The third block was creative. Each children created their own trifle dessert using fruits, cream, sponge cake, and toppings, transforming emotion into a real edible art object. Magic Kitchen is more than just a workshop. It's a place where children from different cultures unite through creativity, play, and the joy of being together.